Okay, there's a machine I'm on, Lightning 10-year storm. And I came over with my $700 winning, playing $10 on a $1 denom. I came over from the Dragon Spin machine. And this is a new machine to me also, but it is a lightning machine. I've got 3 magic shows, which has given me features, so I guess it spins. So together we'll figure out how this goes. So yeah, free spins. Two more. I think the magicians are wild. That's 3 spins. 6. Okay, maybe this will be big. That's K's. Looks like a decent win. Get some balls. No, not quite. So that's only $168. I've switched myself to the $2 denomination, and I've hit the magic show again. So I'm playing $10 a bet, and I've got 6 free games again. So let's see. Maybe we'll do better this time. Give me some balls. Oh, it's okay. We got some wilds happening. And those balls, people. Last game. Haven't done much better. Oh, this is the last game. Sorry. My bad. Okay. Did a little bit better here on my last spin. 220 gives me 282.